Hello guys, here's Alan representing Mechlink, the ultimate platform for second-hand machinery trading and services. And welcome to Bauma 2024. One of Mechlink's strengths is our diverse equipment categories, like what you see in here, from excavator to cranes, all verified by certified professionals. We ensure every transaction meets your expectations.
Our platform allows you to browse equipment and complete transactions in just a few clicks. Using Mechlink saves many time and reduce costs. The inspection reports also help clients find the trusted equipment.
At Mechlink, we connect buyers, sellers globally, providing seamless and efficient transactions to you.
This company is very good. I'm taking my business here, and he's helped me for all parts, for sunny cranes like that. Alhamdulillah, I'm get a good chance here. Thank you for all what you do for me. Thank you.